come to you.
Gotta walk around over here, I guess. There's some in the top of that barn, too.
Yeah. They're all over the place. You want some? Come here. Come here. You know you want some? Don't mess with this. Let him do it. Stand behind you. See? There's a new guy. There you go, Sloan. Get the yellow one. The yellow one is coming. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Hey, stay still. Stay still. Because when you're scared, they stay still.
And there's some hiding over here.
Vivian has one on his head and over here. You get the picture.
I took a video. He was standing there dancing. Like, I have a monkey on my head. I have a monkey. Come on, you all get one. I don't have any monkey.
He's licking it.
My phone doesn't like
I like the salt. That one.
Oh my god, my phone's so mad at me. Yeah, but I didn't like
I can steal one off you. Oh, that's two pretty birds. Hey, don't fight. There you go. Okay. All right. I won't pet you. You just want to eat, huh? Is that what it is? You just want to eat?
Look at that bird egg.
Oh, he just landed on me. He scared me. I got one on my head. I'm not sure what he's doing up there, but he's on there. I'm not sure what he's doing.
He's just picking your head.
Yeah, apparently. Oh, you got one now too. He sees your glasses. Yeah, how many are on my head now? Is it just one?
Yep. One that I see.
Ow! Ow! Stop! Ow! All right, I'm sorry. I won't pet you. Oh, one on my feet now too. There's one on my head too. Yeah, that was my
Your
toe.
new sandals.
Ow! That's my toes you're biting at. Ow!
Got several.
Those are my toes. Ow! Ow! That is my foot. That is my skin you're biting. What in the world? Come on. I don't want to step on y'all. Oh my lord. Ow, ow. Why do I like my feet?
Just tasting the salt on the
Yeah.
Hey.
So weird. This one is still on my head. I don't know what he's doing.
He's just sitting there.
Alright.
And then
Yeah, grab someone else's feet. Alright, I'm just down to you now. Hi. Hi. You eating that whole stick? Let me turn it over for you. I'm just turning it over for you. Oh,
there you go.
I tried. Oh, I can see that from here.
yeah, they're licking the salt off you.
Very successful.
Yes. Yeah, they don't just lick it, they bite it off. Hey! Ow! Stop biting me. If you touch him, he gets mad. He bites you. He's eating your glasses.
Yeah, he is. He's like, what's these? I don't want these.
There's one on my shoulder.
He's like, I'm gonna.
Ow, don't bite. You want that one? He's getting the water off me. Yeah. He's pretty. Ow, they're biting my feet again.
Look how we keep moving till we get everything in case it really does storm.
Oh my lord. Now I got two of them on my head.